On behalf of the management of J&K Bank, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this annual press conference. We do this, as you're aware, once a year, and the occasion for the press conference is the declaration of our annual performance, which is the annual results, the financial results of the bank. We're very pleased to inform that once again, J&K Bank has weathered the global storm, the national recession, and come out with outstanding results. We have this year declared a net profit of 512 crores in the year 09-010, which is the highest ever that J&K Bank has achieved. In addition to this, the gross profit for this year is about 958 crores, which again is the highest ever. Given the fact that J&K Bank is the only listed company in the state and has an overwhelming presence in the state, what I want to do today is to take you through a brief presentation of what has happened in the last 5 years in the bank and to give you an idea of where the bank stands now and what we intend to do going forward. So I'll take you through a presentation of the next 10 minutes, after which I'll be happy to take any questions that may come up. If you can look at the screen now, the presentation is called the Quiet Transformation, because in J&K Bank we don't believe in making a lot of song and dance about things we do. We quietly do our work and achieve results. As you know, I meet the press only once a year. The business highlights for the financial year FY10, which is 09-010, the year that's passed, ended March 31st. Our total business has grown by 12% and today stands at 60,000 crores. 60,294 crores is the total business that the bank did in the year 2009-2010. The total assets of the bank today stand at 42,547 crores. This is the asset base of the bank. The total advances of the bank today are at 23,000 crores. The lending that we do, the advances, the credit we provide to our clients is now 23,000 crores, and the deposits that we have with us is now 37,000 crores, 237 rupees. That is the broad size of the bank, the business highlights. Performance emerging out of this business is a certain performance. Net profit is up 25% on an annual basis and stands at 512 crores. The operating profit is up 24% and at 958 crores. The total income of the bank is now 3,500 crores per annum. The interest we have earned is up 2%. Other income is up 70% and stands at 416 crores. This is how the assets of the bank have grown over the last 5 years. We started 05-06 with 14,000 crores, up to 17, 18, 20 and 23. You can see a consistent rise in the asset base of the bank. Deposit base has also grown from 23,000 crores to 37,000 crores today. The profits, last year we did 109 crores, this year we have done 512 crores, which is the highest ever, as I said. Even operating profit wise, last year we did 774 crores of operating profit, this year we have done 958 crores, again the highest ever. How good is the quality of our assets that we lend is an indication, because you can see the non-performing assets of the bank today are at 0.28%, just 0.28%. It has come down from 1.88% in FY02 to 0.28% this year. This is probably the lowest any bank has in the country. I will talk about that as well. And even for that we have now covered 90% of our bad assets we already have provided for. So even if we lose those assets, there is no impact on the profitability of the bank. And provisioning has been increased by 169 crores. Provisioning really means safety net for the bank. You can see that how we have increased our provisions. It used to be 37% earlier, then went to 55, and today it is 150%. So if I have doubtful or bad assets of 100 rupees, I have already provided 150 rupees, so that if the asset is lost, it has no impact on the balance sheet of the bank. Efficiency-wise, we have cut our costs majorly. It used to be 44% 4 years ago. Today it is 37%, again the lowest in the industry. It just shows that we are very cost conscious, we have kept our costs under control, and it is an efficiency parameter. Cost to income ratio of the bank is a parameter of how efficiently we deploy our funds and also how efficiently we run our organization. Return on assets is the indicator which most banks would look to aspire to get. We are today, our return on asset is 1.20, up from 0.67 4 years ago, so we have doubled return on assets. Return on equity is almost 20%, 18.19%. This is the return we give on our equity. The earning per share, if you hold one share of J&K Bank, in 2005-2006, we were giving you 36 rupees per share. Today, we are giving you 105 rupees per share. So it has more than tripled in the last 5 years. This is a comparison I want you to look at to see the transformation of the bank. You look at 2004 and 2010. In the last 5 years, return on asset has gone up from 0.4 to 1.20. It is more than tripled. Return on equity has doubled. NPA has come down from 1% to 0.28%. The coverage is up 86%. Cost to income is down, which is efficiency has increased. The current account saving account ratio, which gives us an access to low cost deposit, has increased from 28% to 41%. Net interest margin, an indication of our profitability, has gone up from 2.2 to 3.04. Earnings per share, as I said, is up from 32 rupees to 100 rupees, and net profit was 1 billion, now it is 5 billion. How does one compare this with other banks in the system? This is again something that I want you to look at to understand where we have moved. Return on asset, when you compare with us, we are probably number 2 or 3 in the country. Axis Bank has 1.6, Canara Bank has 1.4, PNB has 1.3. We are better than ICICI HDFC at 1.33. The return on asset of ICICI Bank is 1.13, that of HDFC is 1.20, ours is 1.33. Cost to income ratio, we are the lowest in the industry. This shows efficiency of managing costs. The current account saving account ratio is again among the top 3 in the country. We are better than banks like Union Bank, Canara Bank, PNB and others in terms of our access to cost deposit. This shows our NPAs, bad loans. Please look at it. Today, the NPAs in J&K Bank are the lowest in the country. ICICI has 2.4% and HDFC has 0.48, whereas we are at 0.38. This is lower than any other bank in the country. This is as of December, yes. Coverage ratio, again, we are the highest in coverage ratio. We have provided for all our bad advances, so it's a very, very stable and safe bank. In terms of Tier 1 capital, we are at the highest level at 14.54. RBI says 9%, we are at 14%. Earnings per share, when you look at other banks, except SBI, we are the highest EPS in the country. The book value of our share today is at 621. So really what it means is, when you look at a share price today of 750 bucks, 621 is the book value backed by assets. And this is really, other than SBI, which is so big, we have the highest book value. Our book value, in fact, is more than ICICI and HDFC put together, something or independently. So to that extent gives you a sense of how stable the bank is. What are our plans ahead for the next year? Phase 1 has been completed. We have restructured our earnings. We are among the top 3 in the banking industry now. Phase 2 of strategy now starts from this year into high growth phase. Phase 1 was consolidation. Phase 2 is growth. And we intend to raise some more capital. We have already raised 6 million in terms of Tier 2 capital to ensure growth. And the mission statement, this is something that I want to leave with you, is the mission statement for 2012 is J&K Bank will do a business of 1 lakh crores in 2012 and inshallah earn a profit of 1,000 crores. This is what we have set our sights on. In the next 2 years, we will get into doing a business of 1 lakh crores. Today we are 60,000 crores. and our net profit is 500, we will take that to 1,000 crores. This is in sum what we want to do ahead. Thank you.